Surely many of us are familiar with the incredible ability of salmon to travel. They can swim thousands of miles and return to the exact spot where they were born. This is an amazing feat that not all fish species can achieve. This is a wonderful journey, and in this video, we will learn about salmon farming process and salmon egg harvest from modern farms. From raising salmon properly to meticulously harvesting salmon eggs, all will be revealed shortly. Salmon farming process begins right from the harvest and fertilization of the fish eggs in the environment that is strictly controlled. Salmon eggs are collected from healthy mother fish and fertilized in optimal conditions, ensuring that they will grow best. After about 4 to 12 weeks, salmon eggs will hatch into larvae, also known as alevins, marking an important step in the development of salmon. As soon as the egg hatches, the young fish, fry, still hold the ovary bag, helping them to have enough nutrition in the early stages of life. They will continue to grow, and when the ovary bag is exhausted, they become freely swimming fish, ready to enter the next stage of life. When the young fish, fry, turns to the freedom of swimming, they are moved to larger tanks, where they start eating food outside and continue to grow. In this process, the fish will begin to form typical fins and stripes on the body, helping them identify and develop better in the farming environment. This is an important stage in the development of salmon because it not only helps the fish grow physically, but also creates unique characteristics to help them survive and adapt better with the water environment. With the strong development of technology, the salmon breeding industry today has applied advanced models to optimize the process of fish farming. One of the outstanding technologies is the fish cage model combined with IoT technology, Internet of Things, helping to improve production efficiency and minimize the impact on the environment. By using underwater cameras, we can monitor the health of the fish continuously, early detection of sick or injured fish. This helps farmers can intervene in time, minimize damage, and protect fish. Besides, the sensors and artificial intelligence, AI, help monitor the activity of the fish, automatically adjust the amount of food, thereby reducing waste and water pollution, protecting the farming environment. Technology not only helps monitor fish health, but also helps fish grow faster and more effectively. The cage model combined with IoT and AI not only optimizes the farming process, but also helps reduce production costs. Sensors and technology automatically adjust the amount of food, help salmon grow strongly, while minimizing waste of food and negative impact on the environment. In addition, thanks to these improvements, salmon production increases, and the process of raising fish becomes more effective than ever. Salmon can achieve the standard size quickly, helping farmers reduce operating costs and improve productivity, thereby sustainable growth in salmon industry. Salmon harvesting process begins when the fish has reached the standard size. Farmers will use specialized equipment to harvest salmon gently and accurately, avoiding damage to fish. After harvesting, salmon will be put on large containers, ensuring they are always kept at cold temperatures right from the water. Fish after harvest is immediately transported to the processing factory. As soon as it arrived, the fish was put into the complete automation processing system, both fast and accurate, minimizing manual intervention to avoid affecting the quality of fish meat. The processing line is supported by modern equipment, but it is people who determine the final quality of the product. Each stage is done with skillful hands and the eyes of the skilled workers who have been with salmon processing for many years. After the fish was transferred to the processing area, each one was used by a specialized knife to remove the head in a definitive and fast way, but still make sure not to crush the fish meat. Shortly thereafter, the tail was cut neatly to prepare for the next step. The workers continued to use a scalpel along the fish body and sliced into 2 pieces of non-pairs and skillfully removed the main spine without tearing the fish. This is a stage that requires experience and high accuracy because just a knife line is the whole piece of non-pair can be broken. After the pearl, the worker continued to use the specialized tweezers to draw each small bone left in the fish. They have to work in strong light, carefully observe each fiber, make sure not to miss any bones, and still retain the texture and freshness of the fish meat. When the bones are completed, the piece of fish is taken to the edge, where the workers use a knife to cut the edge of the pair in the right way, create a beautiful shape, and meet the commercial standards. Before packing, each piece of salmon was finally tested with eyes and hands, not to doubt the device, but because it was humans who were the last judgment of quality. After that, the fish was put into a vacuum bag and preserved cold immediately, ready to market with a fresh, clean, and perfect state. After all carefully processed steps, the model is now ready to reach consumers, not only in the form of a high-class food, but also a valuable source of nutrition, contributing to improving public health. Salmon is present in countless premium dishes, from sashimi, sushi, salmon salad, salmon hot pot, to pan-fried salmon. Not only delicious, salmon meat also has beautiful colors, ideal softness, and diverse processing capabilities, suitable from luxurious restaurants to family meals. However, what makes salmon is highly appreciated in the food industry not only lies in the flavor, but also in superior nutritional content. Rich in omega-3 and essential fatty acid that protects cardiovascular, enhances memory, anti-inflammatory, and helps smooth skin, providing high-quality protein essential for cell regeneration and muscle growth. Contains a lot of vitamin D, B12, and selenium, supporting the immune system, hormonal regulating, and enhancing energy metabolism. Thank you for watching until the end of this journey. If you are interested, I am willing to share more about other topics in the livestock industry, from high-tech applications in cattle farming to a closed breeding model that is developing worldwide.